So let's have a look at this shrub. So right now it kind of maybe just looks like a tangle of sticks, but it kind of comes out all from one little clump and kind of forms a rounded shape. So sometimes the overall growth habit can be helpful for identifying a plant. You might also notice if we look up close that it has these nice white berries and older berries which have turned kind of brown and mushy looking. So that can be helpful. You can also notice that the buds on the stem are opposite each other, so they're very small, and the stems themselves are very thin. So these are all really helpful traits. So they're very small, thin stems. You can see how little that is. And the buds themselves too are very small and come out opposite each other on the branch. So what we're looking at here is the Snowberry, Symphoricarpos albus. And yeah, those are kind of the main features. The really thin twigs, the kind of mounded, rounded shrub growth habit, the white berries that then turn to brown mush. And if you're lucky, you might find some of the old leaves. So this one has a few of the old leaves on it, so they can vary quite considerably in shape. So identifying snowberries from the leaves can be difficult because they can be so variable. So this one is a nice rounded one. However, here we have some of the ones that are lobed in a more irregular pattern. So the leaf shape itself can be quite variable on the snowberry. But that's some different traits you can look at to try to ID this plant in the winter.